Okay, here we have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS 250. And as you can see, the back pockets on both sides have lost their elasticity. At the tops, these are the map pockets. So I'm going to show you now what to do to actually remove these from the back of the seats. We're going to actually tighten this elastic here so they go back to being in their closed position. This is generally just happens from age, but it's also from people putting large, I guess, bottles or containers in behind the seats, and the elastic just pulls out over time. So first thing we're going to do is actually remove the seat. So to remove the seat, I've just got a long flathead screwdriver. And basically there is 2 points, one under here and one under here, and we're going to put the screwdriver up and we're going to press those little tabs to release the bottom of this backrest, and then the whole backrest is going to slide down. This actually works on the W204C class, W212 E-class, and a variety of other models as well, because they all use the same part number for the back. So I'm going to remove that now. There we go. That one's released now. We're going to do this side as well. Cool. So both sides are released. Slides down. Remove it. So you can see here, this is what we pressed. So we slid the screwdriver up this little valley, pressed on these little tabs here. Sweet. So now I'm going to take this into the workshop and I'm going to tighten up the elastic. Awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2 elastic pieces off, and they sort of hook in. One hooks in here, one hooks in there, and I'm actually just going to tighten. I'm going to tie a double knot on the back so they hold tight, and then I'm going to reinstall on the seat. Now, look, this might not be for everybody. Some people might want to actually replace this piece, which you can do yourself. That's fine, but I don't think it's worth it. I never use those map pockets, and I really just want to clean up the interior of my car. So, yeah, let's crack on with it. Awesome. So there we go. You can see I've just tied that, and you can already see the difference on the back here. So it's no longer floppy, and it's still, you can still put whatever you want in there. It's tight, but yeah, it looks a hell of a lot better. Okay, so now we're just going to reinstall. So you can see here the top parts just go into those little sections, and I might just need to use 2 hands for this, but basically we just press it back in and that will be done. So I'm just going to do that now. And there we have it, guys. As you can see, much better. So still a bit of flex in there, but you know, it's not flopping around like it was before compared to the old one. So I'm going to start doing this one now. Yeah, if you like Mercedes, BMW, European content, feel free to follow my channel. I post a lot of DIY guides, reviews, tips, tricks, things like that. So yeah, feel free to give me a subscribe. Thank you very much.